Hello students, welcome back to our online class with Best English School and with me your English teacher Havisha Patel students. So in this video we would like to start our chapter 4 Bipin Chandra's Lapse of Memory. So we will discuss about a long story. This one is a little bit long story. So in this chapter there is a long story about it and we will discuss it right now. Okay students, so let's get started. Our subject English, chapter number 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Okay, so let's begin it. Part 1. Every morning on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop it in at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books, crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends and did not like spending time in idle chat. Today at Kalicharan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. "I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before?" asked Bipin Babu. The man looked gently surprised. "We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudruz Falls." So students, in the part 1 of the chapter number 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, so in the starting of them, there was a story. Like in every Monday on his way back from home work, मतलब वो जब काम करके घर जाता है तब बिपिन चौधरी हमेशा कालीचरण न्यू मार्केट में बुक लेने के लिए रुकता है, मीन्स टू बाय बुक्स. वो बुक्स खरीदने के लिए वहाँ पे ज़रूर जाता ही जाता है, एवरी डे, ईच एंड एवरी डे. Like it should be crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers also. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. मतलब 5 जितनी बुक्स वो ख़रीद लेते हैं और वो एक हफ्ते तक ही सिर्फ चलता है ऐसा. एंड वो अकेले रहते हैं. कौन अकेले रहता है? बिपिन चौधरी अकेले रहता है और इसलिए उसके बहुत कम फ्रेंड्स हैं क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा आइडल चैट में बिलीव नहीं करता. ही जस्ट डजंट वांटेड टू हैव खुसफुस लाइक दैट वे. ही इज़ वेरी सिंपल एंड सोवर पर्सन. सो टुडे एट कालीचरण's, बिपिन बाबू जब वो बुक स्टोर गया था कालीचरण's बुक स्टोर में, तब बिपिन बाबू उनको एक फीलिंग आई कि कोई उनको ऑब्ज़र्व कर रहा है, कोई उनको दूर से देख रहा है. तो उन्होंने टर्न किया, उन्होंने मुड़ा तो उन्होंने देखा कि एक राउंड फेस के मिक लुकिंग मैन था जो उसे देख के स्माइल कर रहे थे. तो उसने पूछा कि आई डोंट सपोज यू रिकॉग्नाइज मी. उसने, सामने वाले व्यक्ति ने पूछा. तो बिपिन बाबू ने बोला, हैव वी मेट बिफोर, क्या हम लोग कभी भी मिले हैं? तो फिर जो सामने वाला व्यक्ति था वो बहुत सरप्राइजली उसने बोला कि हम लोग हर दिन मिलते हैं, वीक में, एवरी डे, and 7 days, months, ऐसे all along all the days, and I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudruz Fall. उसने बोला कि मैंने तो एक कार अरेंज की है तुम्हारे लिए कि मैं तुम्हें हुद्रो फॉल्स में लेकर जाऊं. सी, ये पिक्चर आपको दिख रहा है? सी ओवर हियर, दिस वन इज़ द पिक्चर स्टूडेंट. So nice books na. I just like a lot reading the books. I have a lot of books over here, and this one is also about the bookstores, right? And the book story. So see, later on we will see. In 1958 in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh, Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but this man who was making a mistake. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times, but never made it. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue, and said, "Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary?" Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still, you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi." The man now laughed aloud. "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudro and cut your right knee. I brought you iodine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netahut the next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, who stayed in a bungalow, who said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a Bawarji. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember, I will tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not?" So students, what happened that in 1958, means this is all about the 1958 in Ranchi, and he said, "My name is Parimal Ghosh." So this person, you can see over here, the blue one, this person is Parimal Ghosh. So Bipin Chaudhary said, "Ranchi? I think so that you are making some mistake because I haven't gone any time Ranchi." या मैंने प्लान तो बहुत बार किया था कि मुझे रांची जाना है, बट मैं कभी भी रांची नहीं जा सका था. तो उसने फिर बोला, he smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" So the blue shirts person Parimal Ghosh told or asked that, "Do you know who I am?" So he said, the man raised his eyebrows and bit his tongue and said, "Do I know? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary?" So what happened? The blue shirt person Parimal Ghosh said कि आप क्या बात कर रहे हो, आपको तो सब जानते हैं. Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Everyone knows it. Then Bipin Babu turned out towards the bookshelf and said, "Still you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi." मतलब आप तब भी मिस्टेक कर रहे हो क्योंकि मैं कभी भी रांची गया ही नहीं हूँ. सो द मैन नाउ लाफ्ड. वो जो मैन था परिमल घोष, वो बहुत हंसने लगा. वॉट आर यू सेइंग मिस्टर चौधरी? आपको याद नहीं कि आप हुद्रो जाने वाले थे और आपके नी, राइट नी में कट हो गया था, एंड उसको ठीक करने के लिए मैं आपके पास आयोडीन लेकर आया था. फिर हमने कार फिक्स्ड की थी नेता घाट के लिए दूसरे दिन, बट आपके नी में बहुत ज़्यादा पेन था. दैट्स वाई वी हैवेंट गॉन देयर and you have cancelled it out. Someone else you know who was also in Ranchi at that time. He asked कि आपको पता है उस टाइम में और रांची में कौन था? मिस्टर दिनेश मुखर्जी भी थे जो बंगलो में रहते थे. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a बावर्जी. मीन्स ही सेड दैट कि दिनेश मुखर्जी भी वहाँ पे थे और आपने ये बोला था कि आपको होटल का खाना पसंद नहीं है. सो ही अरेंज्ड अ बावर्जी ऑल्सो दैट यू विल हैव गॉट द हाउस होम कुक्ड. मिस्टर मुखर्जी स्टेड विथ हिज सिस्टर. मिस्टर मुखर्जी अपने सिस्टर के साथ रहते हैं और आपका बहुत बड़ा आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ था मून लैंडिंग के रिलेटेड, मतलब चांद में जाने के रिलेटेड. आपको याद है? I will tell you more, and you also remember that you carried a bag with your books. मतलब आपके बैग में पूरे के पूरे बुक्स ही रहते थे, आपने पैक किए थे. and in it on your sightseeing trips, if you wanted to go outside, so you will definitely carried a bag with your books. Am I right or not? Then Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? The man said, October. No sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. But the man did not go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your old brother had died insane, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. सो वॉट हैपन, बिपिन बाबू स्पोक क्वाइटली, मतलब बहुत आराम से उन्होंने जवाब दिया बुक्स देखते देखते कि विच मंथ इन 58, उसने बोला कि कौन से मंथ में ये चीज़ मैंने प्लानिंग की थी. सो द परिमल सेड इन अक्टूबर. सो बिपिन बाबू सेड नो नो, आई नेवर वेंट टू अक्टूबर इन एनी प्लेस बिकॉज आई स्पेंड पूजा इन 58 विथ अ फ्रेंड इन कानपुर. मैं तो कानपुर गया था अपने फ्रेंड के वहाँ पे पूजा के लिए. यू आर मेकिंग अ मिस्टेक, आप फिर से मिस्टेक कर रहे हो. गुड डे. बट द मैन डिडेंट गो, मतलब वो जो मैन था वो गया नहीं और वो बातें ही करते जा रहा था. And it was very strange, obviously. Means students, if you are not interested to talk someone, right, and the other person is just talking with you and you are just ignoring him, so obviously they would understand that you are not interested to talk. But in this matter, the other person is just wanted to talk and talk and talk. So that's why it's been very annoying. So what happened? It was very strange. One evening I had a tea with you in a veranda. Means the other person told to the बिपिन बाबू दैट एक दिन आपके घर में, आपके बंगले में वरंडा मतलब बैल्कनी में बैठ के हम लोग ने चाय पी थी. तब आपने बताया था कि अपने फैमिली के रिलेटेड कि आपके कोई भी चिल्ड्रन नहीं है, आपकी जो वाइफ है उसकी डेथ हो गई है 10 ईयर्स पहले और आपके जो ब्रदर था उसकी भी डेथ हो गई है. एंड यही रीज़न था कि आप रांची के मेंटल हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाना चाह रहे थे. व्हेन बिपिन बाबू हैड पेड फॉर द बुक्स, मतलब उसके बाद जब वो बोल रहा था, अदर पर्सन बोलते जा रहा था, तो बिपिन बाबू ने अपने बुक्स के पैसे दे दिए और वो शॉप में से निकलने लगे. पर तब भी द मैन वॉज स्टिल लुकिंग एट हिम इन अटर बिलीफ. देन ओनली द मैन वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग बिपिन बाबू इन अ वेरी डिफिनाइट मोशन, मतलब वो उनको देखे ही जा रहे हैं और बोलते ही जा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सी दिस चैप्टर इज़ लिटिल बिट लॉन्गर. बिपिन चौधरीज लैप्स ऑफ मेमोरी. लैप्स ऑफ मेमोरी, अब आप इससे पता कर सकते हो कि मतलब उनकी याददाश्त कम थी. वी कैन से विद द टाइटल, हम लोग ने अभी तक में एक पार्ट कंप्लीट कर लिया है, तो ये एक पार्ट फर्स्ट पार्ट रीड करके हमें ये तो पता चल रहा है कि आई थिंक सो दैट कि बिपिन चौधरी की लैप्स ऑफ मेमोरी है, मतलब वो मेमोरी भूल जा रहे, सब चीज़ें भूलने लगे, राइट. I think so that's true. You are also thinking about that only, students, right? So see, it's your homework is that in the part 1 you have to write the meanings over in your notebook, students, okay? And you have to make only 2 sentences of each of the meanings, okay? For example, it's idle chat, that means unnecessary routine conversation. So about the idle chat, you have to learn the meaning and you also have to make sentence, only 2 sentences of each meaning, okay? So the next one is meek. Meek means quiet, humble, means polite, you can say, okay? So the next one is, there are only 2 meanings are there, only 3 meanings are there over here. This one is also in utter disbelief, means complete surprise. Utter disbelief means complete surprise, मतलब you can say it is in a shock, right? So you all have to write this meaning in your notebook and you have to write 2 sentences of each of the meanings, okay? And these meanings are very much easy. So part by part we will do the chapter and similar way, same together we will do the meanings also, okay students? So our part 2 is now completed. So later on we will do the part sorry, our part 1 is completed. Later on we will do the part 2, students. Okay, so wait for the part 2 because this story is very much interesting. I also wanted to give you some idea, but I can't because I will share it with you only, students. Okay, so till there, students, wait for my part 2 of this chapter. Till there, stay home, stay safe. With the help of this line, I would like to pack up, students. So bye bye.